Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So itolo ugogo Skhotheni uDreke uMaWinnie, wena ukuthi uMaWinnie she's pregnant with twins, and ugele udecide kumdreka, and mani bamkhodile ukuthi cha soyaphambana ke manje soyaphuma nje elayinini. Umsukela ngani yalo uMaWinnie? Most of the time guys vele kusuke kunguSkhotheni losukela uMaWinnie. So uhamba wayoposta lokhu ku-status ku-Instagram story, wabhala ukuthi it's not expensive yet, this is a fake belly bump. Obvious bantu babonile ukuthi ayi cha lena ibhekiswa njena akuMaWinnie, because yakho ukuthi hlezi kune-beef between the two, and sesiyabona nokuthi i-beef kahle kahle esesayidini laSkhotheni not uMaWinnie. So people started saying ukuthi uyasangana wena Skhotheni, vele these days uphethwe kusangana lokunye nje lesingakwadi, uyamsukela nyalo uMaWinnie akakaqali uyamsukela. Makasakasuka aklepa back uMaWinnie kuba ngazuthi uyakusukela sengakhona manje into leti buhlungu leti tokuhetha, because nyalo uyamsukela utitholele. Abantu abaningi njena they really didn't agree with what she said lapha ku-status sakhe. Abantu abaningi bathi baze bamtshela nokuthi you are so childish, Nkosi yami utokhula nini. Some were even saying ukuthi when will this gonna end. Some were even saying ukuthi she's really obsessed namaWinnie because nje akakamendanga lutho, akakamqalanga, but always yena uhlezi afuna kubuka something nje yokudreka uMaWinnie ngisho atithulele. So people saying ukuthi cha sikhathele nje nguwe wena, ayikho nje nalento loyikhuluma kawumboni nje uNaMaWinnie kokuthi ukhulelwe. Usho ukuthi uMaWinnie kokuthi ukhulelwe ubona ngithi kuphela wena awumboni, wena uke wabasangoma futhi sefake awumboni umuntu lo pregnant. So uphendulile ke uMaWinnie wabhala the following lapha ku-story sakhe wathi, Lord, my pregnancy bothers people I don't even think of. I'd rather vacuum the ocean or bring sand to the beach. Rest girl. So uphendulile ke na uMaWinnie, and akayendanga live this time. Vele these days nje akafocusanga kutinto leti bhetsa kuMaWinnie. She's really focusing ku-pregnancy yakhe njengoba nelicala lelihambelako le-assault baze bamnika ne-date ya-October kokuthi akhona ukuthola kahle bantwana. So nje tinto temisangano these days ugele uthi shaya indiva. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.